welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Christmas is fast approaching, so it's time to get ready. I'm pulling out my Santa and Mrs. Claus figurines and getting them dressed in their fly new outfits, honey, and ready for display during the holiday season. So sit back, relax, get your coffee, honey, and watch me put these beauties together. Around to the end so you can see the collection's final look. If you haven't already done so, make sure that you join the Amethyst Adventures family by clicking on that subscribe button and, honey, hitting that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a brand new video. Here's the problem with the pants. God bless Tracy, but she made the pants that they would slip on, but these are attached to a base, so I cannot slip them on. Let's see, Santa's coats. They fit okay. These pants, I may have to slit them up the back and then put them on, glue them into the outfit. I just wanted to give a quick little update and tell you a little bit about these figurines. Now, I mentioned in another video, I recently found a box that was my mom's Christmas decor. Big old box. I had it tucked back in my storage, and I recently found them. So some of the Santa figurines were my mom's. I don't think that's gonna work. And some were mine. Let's put that to the side for a second before I get frustrated and break it. Let's try this one. Now I did not have to slit the pants down the back like I thought I would, because these figurines will come up off the base with a little work. So here are some, and I hope you can make that out okay. There's some tiny screws at the bottom, and once you take off the screws, that releases the bottom plate. That's this one. And then you take off these little bolts, I guess you would call them, and it releases itself from the base, or at least it did in the first one. And here is the first Santa, all dressed and ready. We still have to work on his hat. Once again, I want to thank a dear friend of mine, Tracy Jones, of Tracy Jones Designs, and I'll make sure to link her Etsy shop in my description box below. This is not her forte, but I don't sew at all. That's one skill I just sew. Tracy sewed all of these beautiful outfits for my figurines. Thank you, Tracy. and I think she did a beautiful, beautiful job. There's a couple of accessories that I still want to do. Santa's hats. This Mother Claus, she also needs a hat. So there are just a couple of little accessories, so I wanted to get going on this so that everything will be done when I start my living room Christmas display. Here it is. And these Santas have not worked in many, many years, so I'm just simply pulling the electronics out. Just gonna trace around. A mess I'm making with this. Might have to wait for Tracy's hats after all. Because I am not doing very well. Good thing I have to glue two triangles together. Good thing.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Thank you, Tracy Jones. You are a marvel, honey. And they look beautiful. They are all dressed in their finery and ready for a holiday display. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed me putting together these outfits for my holiday display.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
And as a collection, just beautiful. I love them all. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.